What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon, and you already know what time it is. Tipsy Talk. Alright people, as you can see, I'm in a hotel, but I still have to give you my weekly Tipsy Talk. I'm actually out of town training for my my new airport job, so not in the shed this week. I know a lot of you guys are disappointed, but I do have something special for this episode right here. This is Bird Dog. I know you always hear me talk about Bird Dog. This is Bird Dog Blended. Is one of their new flavors. I haven't tried it. Most of the Bird Dogs you see will have some type of flavor. My favorite is blackberry. My second favorite is peach. You have apple. You have jalapeno. What is it? Honey jalapeno. I'm not too fan of that. Then you have red grapefruit or something like that. I'm not a real fan of that. All of them are drinkable. Now, people who know me, I will throw something away. I got some spice rum, and I threw it away. I don't know. I'm like, oh, that's a waste of money. I don't care. I'm not wasting my taste buds. So, but the point I'm trying to make is I haven't ran into a bad Bird Dog. All of it's drinkable. Even the red grapefruit or the honey jalapeno that I had, it was still drinkable. I still drank them all. I just probably won't never buy them again. But this here, blended, y'all can see that. I'm not getting that in the camera. The blended, they said it's supposed to be a honey one, a straight honey. I've been waiting for them to do a straight honey, and they did it. So, already got my little hotel cup. Got a little bucket of ice, a couple of cubes. I'm gonna crack this bad boy open. Yes, sir. I think I'm gonna talk about the GIE again and my experience so far with this hotel. As you see, it's unopened, untampered. I took the plastic off, but now you gotta pop the cork. Bird Dog. There we go. That's all you need, baby. You don't need no Coke, no ginger ale, just ice. All right, so let me switch it around like the fancy people. I got a cold, as you can see, so I don't even know I'm trying to smell this because I can't smell anything. Hopefully I can still taste. Okay. Well, I will say it's not a sweet bourbon like, you know, like the blackberry or the peach. It's more of a classic smooth bourbon. Like I will compare it to maybe like a Woodfin Reserve. Woodfin Reserve is that nice, expensive bourbon. I will put it up there with that. Yes, sir. Super happy. Got my Bird Dog on that. And no, I'm not gonna drink this all week. I mean, I'm only here for a week. I'm not gonna drink this in a week. Whatever I don't drink, I will take back home. I figured this would be easier to fit in my refrigerator than like buying beer, a 6-pack of beer, trying to stuff it into a mini fridge or whatever. Anyway, what I wanted to talk about the GIE was how to tell, because I know a lot of people, y'all get in hotels and y'all getting Airbnbs, and how to tell if you are in a hood area or a good area. That's gonna be the title of this. Hood area, GIE, hood area or good area. And alright, so because the first time I went to the GIE, I got an Airbnb. Was it the first time? No, the second time. First time I went, I was with my wife. We stayed actually in Clarksville, Indiana, which is like right across the bridge. And so it took us like 20-30 minutes to get anywhere because we had to cross the bridge, go through traffic. So I said, this time I'm gonna stay in town. So I got an Airbnb, and I was in the hood. It was so funny. I was driving, we was downtown, and everything started getting a little dirtier, and houses started getting a little bit more abandoned, and I'm like, okay. So then I got to my Airbnb. It had one of those metal doors on it with the bars, like you're in jail. And I basically didn't go outside unless I was going to catch an Uber. But anywho, I say all that to say, it's like, and with coming here to Philly, right? I'm not in like the city part of Philly. I don't even know which north, south, east, or whatever. But where the hotel at is kind of off a highway. Yesterday, the first night, I went to Walmart, right? So the Uber, it picked me up from the hotel. Then it took me to the Walmart. So I got my stuff. When I came out to Walmart, right, I did an Uber, and it said you gotta walk around the corner. I was like, what? Walk around the corner? So I canceled that one. I said, I don't know. Did another one, told me I gotta walk around the corner with this one. I said, what's going on? So I had to walk around the Walmart to the tire center, right? And then walk out that exit into the corner of the street. And mind you, like, this area, look, it is, I wouldn't say it's the hoodest area I've been in, but I wasn't comfortable. It didn't have no street lights. It's dark. And I normally wear dark clothes. So I'm standing there with dark clothes, big dude in the dark. I look suspicious, big black dude in the dark. So I look mad suspicious. Uber trying to set me up. Excuse me, I gotta wipe my nose. Cold. Anyway. So yeah, Uber came pick me up. So that was the first night, right? So today, when I get back from class or training, I take an Uber to, I'm looking for a place to get some lick. So I look it up, closest place is this place called Fine Wines and Spirits. Should have known by the name I was going to a decent area. So I went to the area, right? And so I asked the lady at the place once I bought my bird dog. I said, is there any place to CVS? I gotta get some medicine. I got a cold or whatever. So she told me, yeah, you go down the street. So I had to walk a legit mile. And in that mile, I'm gonna tell you the key to telling whether you're in a hood area or a good area. While I was walking that mile, I saw two white ladies jogging. The first white lady I said maybe that's just a coincidence. Then I saw the second white lady. I was like, okay, I wish I had a bag. Because I wouldn't say I was traumatized from the first day, right? But I had my liquor bag, right? And because the first day I said, I don't know what kind of area I'm in now. Even though it's daytime or nighttime, this is how you do when you're in a hood area. You got a bag, right? You put your hand through it like this, right? And you grip it like this. So the two reasons you do this, right? If somebody try to run up to you and snatch your bag, you can't get it. And the second reason was I had a bottle of bird dog in that bad boy. So if something was about to go down, it was getting the bird dog to the dome piece. So that's how you can tell if you get an Airbnb for the GIE. That's how you can tell if you're in a good area or hood area. Cheers. But enough of that. It's been crazy, bro. The last couple years for me, you know, as far as me getting involved with the ambassadorships, taking trips and stuff like that, and also now this airport thing. The biggest thing about this airport thing that's amazing to me is I've took many flights, you know. I want to say I've taken at least like between 10 to 15 flights in my life, minimum at least. And it's so cool to see behind the curtain, you know, like to see what's going on, you know what I mean? Like the first day I got my badge, they told me, I was like, well, where's the office? They said, oh, you gotta go back in the baggage room. Like this is, you know how like when you get your bags and stuff and it comes out on a little carousel? The baggage room is the room where they bring in the luggage and then they throw it on a carousel. So I literally had to use my badge and walk in the back of the airport, and I'm like, man, this is so crazy. Then I rode on one of the things, which is called a tug. That's the thing that tows the luggage. Rode on one of those things, you know, and it's kind of cool, you know. So, you know, I kind of got the job to get it as a part-time thing for the winter time, but this, you know, the organization's pretty cool. It's so crazy, you know, how my life is. I kind of fall into things not knowing what I'm getting myself into, and then I end up realizing, hey, this is not that bad. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not going to go back over to the dark side, go full-time with this company. But what I'm saying is I could definitely foresee myself staying with this company as long as it's not too bad and having my lawn care business, you know, because the way it works is every 6 months they bid on shifts, right? So they just got some new shifts. They're getting a bid in right now or something like that. So, or they're about to do a bid. So whatever shift I get, whether it be Monday, Saturday, Sunday or something like that, I will have that same shift for the next 6 months. That's going to be my responsibility. So what the benefit for me is it allows me to schedule my lawn care on a same schedule basis. You know what I mean? It's not like a shift that's switching. So that's great, you know. That's great for me. So, but it's been busy, you know. I got yards to aerate, yards to cut. I'm supposed to be going out of town for Gravely next week too, so I gotta figure out when I'm gonna cut. I gotta get back, cut the yards I was supposed to cut this week, Saturday, Sunday, then probably cut the yards next week, Monday, Tuesday or something. So that's what's been going on with me. Had to hop on here, talk to my peoples. Anywho, don't drink too much. A lot of people say they drink when they watch my Tipsy Talks. I probably let me see here. I'm probably at least drinking to the label today. I'm probably at least gonna get to the label. That'll be it. Anywho, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. Yes, sir.